Hello everyone, this is Zach here. I'd like to give an update for 4 stocks that we requested from this TradingView member and followers. So I got VTEX groups and followed by Aeon, Inari, and Poh Huat. So I'm just gonna use end of day charts to check the overall background, and let's see whether we got any other potential to trade or not. Okay, so this is first one, VTEX group. So definitely is a by looking at over this background. Of course, on the background itself, we have this downtrend over here. Okay, I think this is from Adina Trades. I think he highlighted very well that yeah, he have a downtrend and it seems like forming some sort of changes in trend. Then which I think I do agree with him, right? If you look at overall here, this is the one that's forming double top. Sorry, double bottom, and this is exactly at the previous supports, right? Exactly at the previous supports, which is nice. And if you look closely again, I actually like to check volume itself, and I think he highlighted very well as well. This is a volumes picking up, which means there is activities around this area. So again, seems like price is trying to retest the previous high over here at resistance. So well, I don't know whether what is the strategy, but definitely this is the trades that I want to hold for very short-term type of trades. Usually most of members know me that when I look at this type of trades, I like to trade on NS or Spring. Like for example, okay, a very nice NS just exactly at the bottom over here, right? So of course this is the NS that provide me not very much edge, because I still on this temporary downtrend. So this is a very good uptrend. So if I spot any nice springs, oh well, we do have spring on last Friday, so whether see this is confirmed or not. So well, short term wise definitely is looking very nice. So as long as there's no confirm, like confirm uptrust, no confirm uptrust, then it should be fine for me. Okay, it should be fine for me. So well, next picks, high swollen coming in. So the next one's okay, Aeon. I think this is from Oscar. Yeah. So against Aeons are slightly not ready yet. This is the trades that of course at this particular moment I think I will try to avoid first. Okay, so what happens is that it's still showing some sort of weakness. Yeah, previously a very nice uptrend, then we have this downtrend, pullback, downtrend, and seems pulling back again. So again, this uptrust, let's see. Okay, let's check uptrust. Okay, just exactly this previous low over here. And what I don't like about this, okay, is that if you notice, right, this uptrust come with pretty high volumes. Okay, so usually on nice uptrending stocks, you want to see high volume upbars, but no high volumes on uptrust. Okay, so what I mean is that when the beginnings of the uptrend, we're going to see more upbars, high volume. Like for example, here's a good one, right? Here's a good one. I got spring, but uptrust high volume. It doesn't mean that this is will be continued the downtrend, but do expect some type of sideways markets or expect some sort of flush by the smart money. So probably let's check this, right? This is gap high volumes. Okay, again this is high volume uptrust. So yep, similar like here, I think, right? Whenever I see high volume uptrust, this is not really high. Okay, but here is for me considers very high. So do expect some sort of sideways market first before they retest as a resistance. Okay, so there's a reason why I tend to try to avoid first until I see more further confirmations which ranks. Okay, so next one is Inari. I think Inari made a very good turn recently, but it's good for trading, definitely not for investing, because if you check overall, this is still in pretty much on this downtrend. Okay, pullback downtrend. Now we have very nice pullback. Seems like whether this is a turning or not, well, we'll see whether it break this resistance or not. So of course, these are stocks that last year right, a lot of people like to invest in these stocks. Okay, but this year definitely is only suitable for those that who are looking for tradings. Okay, so again, I would like to use just support resistance NS to trade for these stocks. Definitely not the line change one, because like for example, a really nice NS confirmation NS, at least you can write some of this profit over here. Against this is the confirm NS, so let's see whether it can breaks above this resistance or not. But overall, looking at this short terms, right, at this particular area here, well, we do see lots of strengths coming in. What I like about this is that against volume usually is the one that determines the changes of the trend. Okay, you can see over here high volumes just came in, and then we have distributions to mark down, high volumes pick it up again, then we have these changes in trend, and we have NS now. Okay, NS now. So it's similar, like for me, similar like Poh Huat. This type of stocks, right, it don't like give you, you know, like 15-20% a day, but it move like very slow and steady type of movement. Okay, so the next one, of course, I get the review is Poh Huat. One of the best so far for me. One of the best so far. Like I said, Poh Huat is the one that for those looking for holding for longer terms a bit. Okay, this stock, to be frank, we are not sure about FA, but a lot of people tell me that the FA is quite nice. Okay, but again, just wanted to review bags. What I like about this is that this line showing break above lots of these three resistance away, especially the uptrust away, which I like about this. Okay, and it comes with a very good confirmation in S, breaks above, and it seems like now low volumes retest the support. Okay, retest the support, which is telling me that, well, smart money is still in there, they're still interested, no much weakness at the moment, which is nice. Okay, so again, but follow your against like I said, I think Oscar attended our yesterday, right, the trainings. Like Martin said, always follow the indices first. Okay, so KIC Dow Jones is going down. I think this is a, for Dow Jones, probably this is like a temporary pullbacks on this uptrend, but KIC, let's see whether it can hold at the supports or not. Okay, so make sure to be careful. I think this stock's a bit similar, like the one in Singapore, standing down. I like about this, but it suddenly drops. Okay, so again, this have taught me that you really have to follow your trading rules, right? Like for example here, it's just very similar with Poh Huat. Okay, going up nicely. You can see lots of weakness has been rejected, and lots of strength at the supports, and suddenly just drop due to the indices turn. So yep, this is the one that's always remember, if you are trading, please follow your rules. If you have achieved certain percentage, like Martin said, at least take some partial profits. Okay, so this is a quick 4 stocks that I have from members today. So if you got any other stocks, you can always welcome to PM me in TradingView, or you can comment at my video below.